replacement, this cloud topic will be very useful. Okay, so mainly nowadays cloud DevOps engineer, the current openings in DevOps engineer, cloud architect, these will be the openings for everyone. Okay, so now about cloud fundamentals, if we take the main thing is client server evolution. Okay, so you know what is client, the basic things. What is client, what is server? Okay, we have to know. And we have terminals only. Before the system comes, we have only terminals. Okay, no systems at all. So we have only terminals. Then we have client server system. Then we have client cloud. We have client cloud. Client cloud is okay, so this is the technology innovation phase. Significant role in user computing. Okay, right from terminals to now client cloud has come. Okay, so this is now the technology based. Now, what is cloud computing? The main thing you have to know is it is like a service that is being provided by another company. The main definition is the service done by another company. Say a simple example I can say. Say for example, you are going to start a supermarket. Okay. For supermarket, what are we need? We are going to have a startup or we are going to have a supermarket. Okay. So for that, what are we need? We need infrastructure. Okay. We need clients. Not client. We need goods. Okay. For goods, we have to store it in one place. Okay, that is all the thing. Infrastructure. So we need some storage, we need some billing systems, yes. For that particular billing system, we need software, we need employees. Then, if we have the client systems, if we have larger systems, the big supermarket, then we will be having many systems. We have relays, we have for billing, that is load balancer. In order to avoid queues, we have some load balancers. Okay, the same billing system in all the clients. So, to suppose if one system has been failed, we have to use the other system. Yes. So we need as these all things we have to have nowadays. Okay. But without this, what will be the advantage here is, what is the advantage or disadvantage if we have? Anytime we can have. And nowadays the operation cost is more. Yes. So when we take a cloud, when we come to a cloud, the operation cost becomes less. Because the client, the service, everything has been in one platform. Okay. Say for example, the same thing, supermarket itself. We need a data center too. Yes or no? We need a data center if suppose any damage comes or some bomb blast occurs in nearby supermarket. What happens? We have to have a helpline number in order to recover it. Yes. Everything, all the servers will come down. We need another cloud. Okay? Yeah, for the backup systems. Yes. That is what is cloud computing. Okay, if we have this definition, if you read this definition, you will come to know now what is cloud. Okay? So it's provided for you as a service by another company. So as I said, as a supermarket, you need client, server, data center. Everything will come under as a service company. Okay, that is called as cloud computing. Okay. And next is cloud a new thing? Not at all. Okay, it is on-premise or owned by you services. So everything it is on-premise or owned by you. We can create VM network in cloud. What we have to do is we should have one under. Okay, we have to create one. So now, not always here, we can do cloud computing involves delivering hosting service over the internet. So whatever is now, what we will do, we just make a call, we need a service as such. Okay, like pizza ordering. So we will be having one method, we will be ordering the pizza in online through software. The other thing is, we will be having ready-made pizzas, we have to make it, the duff will be given alone and we have whatever needs, things will be there, that is one platform as a service. The other one is, what will we have? Infrastructure, we will go and buy. Okay. So three things. The three services are available. The same thing, that is the for cloud. Okay, this is a small example. So anytime we are computing purchasing as a service instead of purchasing the hardware, software, facilities, etc. So this will be like a platform that is three service model will be there in the cloud. Okay, so I can say this infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So pizza is one of the smallest example I can do. So infrastructure as a service, you can go directly and buy pizzas. The second, platform as a service, we have everything. The duct is there, ready-made we are having it, and we can have problems whatever we need. Software as a online, we are ordering whatever we need, chicken pizza, veg pizzas, whatever we need, we are there. So there are three platforms available: cloud service,